Well, here I am at the top of Virginia Peak, 8,000 some odd feet. There, right there is the National Weather Service Doppler radar, probably irradiating me as I speak. Let's see here. Way down there is where I was yesterday. Those little peaks right there. Do a little 360 here. That's I-80 down there. You can see Fernley right there, coming up the valley to Wadsworth, and there, right there is the south edge of Pyramid Lake. Yep. Whew, hell of a hike. Hell of a hike. Anyhow, right there's the rock cairn that marks the peak. And it was something like 8.5 miles up here. And after some water for me and my faithful hiking companion, the Benster, we're headed down. So, there it is. Probably the first and last time I'll be here. You can see a lot of Nevada. There's Mount Rose, way over there. Whew. Can't believe you can see Fernley. Absolutely amazing. Quite the valley. Truckee River down there. Right there. On into Pyramid. Alrighty then. I'll leave you with the radar. Bzzz.